Most tire shop owners lose money every single day, and they don't even realize it. A customer asks for a tire quote and instantly gets the cheapest option. Sounds helpful, right? Not always, because here's the mistake. Many customers are not actually looking for the cheapest tire. Some even avoid it completely. And this small habit could be quietly hurting your profits, reducing trust, and costing you bigger sales. In this episode, we're unpacking why customers don't always choose the cheapest tire, what they're actually buying, and a simple shift that can help tire shops increase profits without finding a single new customer. Here's something no one talks about. Most customers are not tire experts. They're not standing there comparing tread patterns or researching rubber compounds. They're thinking something much simpler. Will this tire last? Will it keep my family safe? Can I trust this decision? That's what people are really buying. Confidence, safety, reliability, peace of mind. And when tire shops immediately lead with the cheapest option, they accidentally assume price is the only thing customers care about. This is where most people mess up. Cheap doesn't always mean best. Imagine this. A customer comes into your shop with a family car. They drive long distances, maybe travel during rainy weather, and care about reliability. But before understanding any of that, they hear, "Here's the cheapest tire." Now the customer starts wondering, why this one? Is it actually good? Am I sacrificing quality? Sometimes the cheapest option creates doubt instead of trust, and doubt kills sales. Here's a question for you. When customers walk into your shop, are you helping them decide or deciding for them? Because there's a big difference. Many successful tire shops do something smarter. They offer 3 options: budget, mid-range, premium, and something interesting happens. Most customers choose the middle option. Why? Because psychologically, it feels safe. Not too cheap, not too expensive, just sensible. Think about it. When you buy something important, do you automatically choose the cheapest option? Probably not. Most people want value. They want the smart choice. That middle option often feels like the balance between price and quality. But don't skip this part. The magic isn't just in offering options. It's in explaining them. Because customers need guidance. Most people don't know which tires last longer, which ones are quieter, which tires perform better in wet weather. And that's where trust gets built. Instead of saying, "Here's the cheapest tire," try saying, "I've got 3 good options for you. This one is budget friendly if price matters most. This mid-range tire gives better durability and comfort. And this premium option performs better for long-term reliability." See the difference? You're not selling, you're helping, and customers trust people who help. Here's something worth thinking about. How many customers would happily spend a little more if they actually understood the benefit? Comment yes if you've ever paid more for something because it felt safer or more reliable. Because that's exactly how many tire customers think. Now let's talk profit. Imagine just a few customers every day moving from budget tires to mid-range tires. Nothing extreme, no hard selling, no extra marketing spend, just better conversations. That small change can have a huge impact on monthly profit without bringing in a single new customer. And that's the opportunity many tire shops completely miss. The biggest mistake? Assuming price is the only thing customers care about. It isn't. People care about trust, advice, confidence, and making the right decision. So here's the takeaway. Stop assuming everyone wants cheap. Some customers absolutely do, and that's perfectly fine. But many are willing to spend more when they understand the value. Give customers options. Explain the differences. Help them choose what suits their needs. And let them decide. You might be surprised how often the cheapest tire isn't the winner. If practical business advice like this helps you think differently about growing a tire business, subscribe for more clear, real-world strategies designed to improve profit, efficiency, and long-term growth. And share your thoughts below. What do customers ask for most in your shop? If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tire fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tires aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tyres all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.